Introduction. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Professional, and today we're diving into a super important topic for all the freelancers out there, financial planning. As a freelancer, managing an irregular income can be quite challenging. Unlike a traditional 9 to 5 job, you don't always know when your next paycheck is coming or how much it will be. But don't worry, because today I'll share some practical tips on budgeting, saving, and managing your finances effectively, even with an unpredictable income stream. So, let's get started. Segment 1, Understanding your financial situation. First things first, let's understand your current financial situation. Here are some steps to get a clear picture of your finances. 1. Track your income. Start by tracking all your sources of income. Use tools like spreadsheets or apps to record every payment you receive. This will help you understand your earning patterns. 2. List your expenses. Write down all your expenses, both fixed, like rent, utilities, and variable, like groceries, entertainment. This gives you a sense of your monthly cash flow. 3. Calculate your average income. Look at your income over the past 6 to 12 months and calculate the average. This will be your baseline for budgeting. Let's dive into a quick example. Suppose you've earned $3,000 in January, $2,500 in February, and $4,000 in March. Your average monthly income would be $3,000 plus $2,500 plus $4,000 / 3 equals $3,166.67. So, you can consider $3,167 as your average monthly income for planning purposes. Segment 2, Creating a budget. Now that you have a clear picture of your finances, it's time to create a budget. Here's how you can do it. 1. Prioritize your expenses. Start with the essentials: housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. These are your non-negotiables. 2. Set aside money for taxes. As a freelancer, you're responsible for your own taxes. A good rule of thumb is to set aside 25 to 30% of your income for taxes. This might vary based on your country or region, so consult with a tax professional. 3. Create an emergency fund *, aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This fund will be your safety net during lean periods. 4. Budget for irregular expenses. Think about irregular expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or annual subscriptions. Allocate some money for these in your budget. There are several great budgeting apps out there like Anab, You Need a Budget, Mint, or even a simple Google Sheet can do the trick. The key is to find a system that works for you and stick with it. Segment 3, Saving strategies. Saving money is crucial for freelancers. Here are some effective saving strategies. 1. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. This way, you save before you have a chance to spend. 2. Use separate accounts. Consider having separate accounts for different goals: emergency fund, tax savings, and personal savings. This prevents you from accidentally dipping into money set aside for other purposes. 3. Save windfalls. Whenever you have a particularly good month, save the extra income instead of spending it. This will help you build a buffer for the lean months. Think of these separate accounts like labeled piggy banks. Each one has a specific purpose, and this clarity can really help you stay disciplined with your savings. Segment 4, Managing irregular income. Managing an irregular income requires some strategic planning. Here are some tips. 1. Create a buffer. Always aim to have a buffer in your checking account. This is different from your emergency fund. It's a cushion to handle fluctuations in your monthly income. 2. Pay yourself a salary. Based on your average income, determine a fixed salary that you pay yourself each month. This helps in smoothing out the highs and lows. 3. Adjust your budget. Be flexible with your budget. If you have a low income month, reduce discretionary spending. If you have a high income month, boost your savings. Think of this buffer as a cushion. It absorbs the shock when your income dips below average and gives you peace of mind. Segment 5, Tax planning. Tax planning is crucial for freelancers. Here are some key points. 1. Track your expenses. Keep detailed records of all your business expenses. This includes office supplies, software subscriptions, and even a portion of your rent if you work from home. 2. Quarterly tax payments. In many countries, freelancers are required to make quarterly tax payments. Set reminders and make sure you're on top of these to avoid penalties. 3. Hire a professional. Consider working with an accountant or tax professional. They can help you maximize deductions and ensure you're complying with all tax laws. Keeping track of your expenses can save you a lot of money on taxes. Every little bit counts, so make sure to record everything. Segment 6, Investing for the future. Investing is a great way to grow your wealth over time. Here are some tips for freelancers. 1. Retirement accounts. Look into retirement accounts like IRAs or 401(k)s if available. These can offer tax advantages and help you save for the future. 2. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your money into one investment. Diversify across stocks, bonds, and other assets to reduce risk. 3. Regular contributions. Even with an irregular income, try to make regular contributions to your investment accounts. This will help you build wealth steadily. The key to investing is consistency. Even small, regular contributions can grow significantly over time thanks to the power of compounding. Segment 7. Insurance and benefits asterisk. As a freelancer, you don't have employer-provided benefits. Here's what you should consider. 1. Health insurance. Find a health insurance plan that fits your needs. Look into options like the Affordable Care Act, ACA, Marketplace in the US, or other country-specific options. 2. Disability insurance. This protects your income if you're unable to work due to illness or injury. It's particularly important for freelancers who rely on their ability to work. 3. Liability insurance. If you provide professional services, consider getting liability insurance. This protects you in case a client sues you for negligence or other issues. Insurance might seem like an extra expense, but it's essential protection for your financial stability. Don't overlook it. Segment 8. Continuous learning and improvement. The world of freelancing is constantly evolving. To stay ahead, you need to keep learning and improving. Here's how. 1. Take courses. Invest in courses to enhance your skills. This not only improves your work quality but can also help you charge higher rates. 2. Stay updated. Follow industry news and trends. This helps you adapt to changes and seize new opportunities. 3. Network. Join freelancer communities and attend events. Networking can lead to new clients and collaborations. Continuous learning is key to staying competitive and growing your freelance business. Never stop improving. Conclusion. Managing your finances as a freelancer can be challenging, but with the right strategies, it's definitely possible. Remember to track your income, create a flexible budget, save consistently, plan for taxes, invest wisely, and keep learning. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you have any questions or additional tips, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy freelancing!